Take a look at the SK 5-piece SAE combination wrench set. You might notice this is a fairly large box for 5 wrenches, but that's because this is jumbo wrenches. Do appreciate they always include a bag for these guys. So we got 15/16, 1 inch, 1 1/16, 1 1/8, and 1 1/4. I can't say I've ever seen a 1 3/16 inch wrench or bolt. I'm definitely not going to consider that a skip. Let's look at that. That is a beautiful thing. Very nice chrome finish on there. Fairly thin for such a large wrench. It is not super thick like you sometimes see with jumbo wrenches. Got a nice tooth pattern on there. That is a 12 point. It doesn't look misshapen like you sometimes see with jumbo wrenches. This looks like, you know, a standard 3/4, just oversized. And then we got our open end with plenty of reinforcement on there. We're looking at about 17 thousandths extra. So not bad for that size. And for another that size, we're gonna need a lot of length. So we're looking at about 15.5 inches on center. So that's center to center. Total length right around 16 3/4. This is probably my most commonly used, the 1 inch. And on that guy, we are looking at right about 13 thousandths. Oh, 125.
Okay. This is hydraulic manifold. For any of my aspiring hydraulic technicians, make sure that you shut off the hydraulics and drain the system before you work on anything. We have been getting a leak on this hydraulic valve. It's just dripping down. That is usually that it is loose. Okay, yeah, so even though it was finger tight, wow, this is very loose. Okay. Alright, that should solve that. Yeah, I mean, beautiful wrench set, very long, very large, ton of leverage, and I even like the little carrying pouch. So, well, that is an awesome set of wrenches. If you need to increase your wrenches to jumbo wrenches, this is going to be an excellent option to make that happen.